The automotive industry is evolving rapidly. With it comes new challenges in warranty management and vehicle history transparency. That's where ProgNeo comes in. Step 1. The NFT encapsulates the car's entire journey. From manufacturing date to maintenance history, everything is recorded immutably on the blockchain. This provides complete transparency and tamper-proof warranties. Step 2. Transfer the NFT to the new owner. This fosters trust in second-hand markets as the new owner can instantly access the car's complete history. No more disputes or ambiguities. Step 3. Indisputable record for insurance claims. The NFT, backed by the blockchain, provides an indisputable record of the car's history, streamlining processes and reducing fraud. According to a study by the National Insurance Crime Bureau, auto insurance fraud costs $6 billion annually. ProgNeo has the ability to drive the future of the automotive industry. By connecting ecosystems with the power of blockchain and NFTs, ProgNeo can redefine automotive ownership for the digital age. Join the revolution today.